welcome back. It is February. Winter happened. The vortex took me out the game, but I am back. So today I want to review for you BeautyCounter's Color Intense Lipstick. I bought the Mini Vault. You get 8 mini sticks of lipstick for $79. So let's start with the value. $79, you get 8 mini lipsticks, which is actually pretty good. That's about $10 per mini lipstick, which is pretty comparable. The regular lipsticks are, the regular size lipstick is $34 for one tube. So I think it's a pretty good deal. It's like getting almost 2 for 1 in that sense. Maybe a little bit more, 3 for 1. Yeah, so it's a good deal. So with the lipstick, like I said, I bought the Mini Vault. Comes in a nice little box like this. If you saw my unboxing, I went into more detail about the packaging and about the different colors and things like that. So if you want more information on that, also check out my other video on the unboxing of the products. But like I said, there's 8 colors. Right now I'm wearing Twilight, which is, it videos a little bit brighter than it really is. It's kind of a purpley red, like a deeper pink, red with like pink and purple tones. But I do notice that it photographs a little bit brighter, it's a brighter red than it is in person. I noticed that with all the colors. If you didn't see, I did preview all 8 colors on my Instagram. So if you missed it, you should go to my Instagram, which I'll put below. And you can see my 8 days of lipstick where I previewed all these colors. Well, okay. You know, I gotta be honest with y'all. I really did 7 days because the 8th day I fell off schedule because things happened like school and work. So then I thought maybe nobody noticed I didn't do day 8. But the last day I wore a color called Front Row. But if you look at my previous video where I did an unboxing, I was wearing the shade Front Row. If you missed that video, I'm going to need you to go check it out. So anyway, I did preview all the colors for you. So if you want to see how it looked on me, please go to my Instagram at Brittany in the morning and you will just scroll through and you'll see my 8 days of lipstick. Okay, but so far, so good. I love the lipstick. I can't talk enough about the lipstick. It is long-lasting, moisturizing lipstick. I will say the only color that I noticed was like a lighter color called Cafe that I paired with a deep chestnut shade of a lip liner. That was the only color I felt didn't last long. It didn't stay on my lips as long. But I do wear BeautyCounter's peppermint lip conditioner under it, so that's already like a gloss. So I kind of can see that maybe it doesn't stick as well when wearing that. But the other shades seem to do fine. Twilight was one of my most complimented shades that I noticed, and it was like one of the first ones that I wore out, and I love this color. So yeah, I love it. They put real vanilla in their lipsticks, and they also use peppermint oil to kind of enhance it. So every once in a while you get a whiff of peppermint, but it's not too strong. Like, you don't taste it. It doesn't taste like gum or toothpaste or anything. It's very subtle, but it's like, you know, technically you pretty much eat your lipstick. So it's just a very subtle flavor that doesn't taste chalky and gross if it happens to get in your mouth. So I appreciate that. The only bummer, I think, with what the company offers, they don't have any lip liners. And well, I'm gonna say yeah. I noticed that they are a developing company, so they are still coming out with new things all the time. So maybe, you know, it might be on the list of things to create, but right now they don't have any. So I do use lip liners that I already have to enhance my color. I just like to wear lip liners. So for this set though, the set has colors that are not offered in the regular size sticks. So I have this here where these are what's offered in the regular size lipsticks for $34 each. And only 3 of the colors, which are Twilight, which what I have on now, Girls Night, which is like one shade darker than like a ruby red, and another like everyday favorite is 9 to 5, which is like a brownish tone, but with a little bit of hint of purple and red. So it's not like you're putting a, you know, like a totally brown color in your lip, but it's a deeper, more natural tone. But it has a little bit of pink to it. It's more pinky, so it's like a pink or brown. Those are offered in the full size. The other 5 colors are not. So I kind of suggest, like, I feel like these 3 that are offered also in full size would be like your everyday go-to colors anyway. So I do think it's a better value to go ahead and get the minis. And then I think that the colors that are offered here are comparable to some of the colors that are limited edition that are only in the mini set. But there's a few other, like Backstage, Little Black Dress, Brunch, First Date, Garden Party. Those are the ones that are only offered in this full size here. And I think the only colors that I can see that don't really have a match will be like Garden Party's a softer pink, where Front Row is like a hot pink. And First Date is like a pale pink, where you don't get a pale pink in this set. But like Brunch and Little Black Dress and Backstage, there's some comparable shades in this pack that can kind of mimic those. But I still plan to buy all of these because I love the lipstick. So I'm going to buy the full size of the colors that I don't have because I want them. But I think that it's a pretty good value to go ahead and buy the mini set to get started on your clean, safe lipstick journey. I felt like it was worth it. My lips are moisturized. I am very happy with my results. So yeah, I think this is gonna be. I gotta get rid of the other stuff because the other stuff got stuff in it that I won't want in my body. So that's all I really have to say about the lipstick. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I think everybody should at least get one too. You know, I can't say enough about this lipstick. So yeah, I am excited to present this to you. Like I said, if you want to see all the shades on me, please refer to my Instagram. It's still on there. Go look. And except for that one shade, which will be in my last video that I posted. So go look at that too. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be updating you on life's best things. So, you know, it's not just about BeautyCounter, but I would like to share with everyone about BeautyCounter. So this is what I am doing here, and I also sell it. So you can, if you are interested in more items and you want to see what the company has to offer, please click the link below because it's all there. So until next time, good morning. Have a good day.